In this video, we can talk about top 5 Midjourney alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome back to our Alternatives Code channel. If you are looking for an alternative to Midjourney, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best alternatives to Midjourney, Stable Diffusion Web, Dream by Wombo, Dall E 2, Jasper Art, and Night Cafe Studio that are less complex and provide better results when creating images. Let's dive in and explore each of these alternatives. The first alternative is Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is a state-of-the-art generative model that can convert any textual input into a highly realistic image output. It has several key features include high-quality images, GPU-enabled, fast generation, and layer support. This latent text-to-image diffusion model enables users to produce stunning visuals by feeding descriptive sentences into the algorithm. Its standout feature is its stability, which means that the model produces highly consistent results even when presented with slightly varied inputs. The second alternative is Dream by Wombo. Dream by Wombo is an AI-powered platform that lets users create stunning images in various aspect ratios and personalize them with text prompts. Its top features like intuitive image suggestions, easy-to-use templates, 3D modeling tool, and animation tool. It lets users customize their images by editing them through text prompts, which creates stunning graphics based on their preferences. One of its standout features is its arty image generation technology that can turn even the most rudimentary sketches into stunning pieces of art. Third alternative is Dall E 2. Dall E 2 is the latest product developed by OpenAI, which utilizes advanced AI algorithms to generate hyperrealistic images based on textual inputs. Its features include photorealistic images, high resolution, and accurate editing. With its cutting-edge technology and sophisticated machine learning capabilities, it can produce highly detailed images that mimic real-life textures. Perhaps the standout feature of Dall E 2 is its ability to generate highly creative images that often far exceed the scope of the original prompt. Fourth alternative is Jasper Art. Jasper Art is an AI art generator designed to transform your creative ideas into unique and stunning images within seconds. Its features include advanced image editing tools, customization options, filter and effect application, and high-definition image outputs. The tool also offers seamless integration with social media platforms, allowing users to easily share their artworks with friends and followers. The standout feature of this tool is its capacity to suggest photo options by analyzing the user's picture. Fifth alternative is Night Cafe Studio. Night Cafe Studio is an innovative AI art therapy tool that allows individuals to process and communicate their emotions and thoughts via creative and expressive image making. It offers features like AI art therapy, AI face generator, photo-to-painting transformation, and unlimited style choices. The standout feature of the software is its capability to provide users with an immersive art therapy experience that supports both their mental health and creative expression. Compared to Midjourney, Stable Diffusion Web generates high-quality images based on textual descriptions, while Dream Create focuses more on creative design services. OpenAI product Dall E 2 is a highly specialized tool for generating images and artwork. And Jasper Art provides a range of creative services from digital design to print production. Then comes creator Night Cafe Studio, which is an ideal platform for creating and sharing 3D models and animations. If you're looking for a tool that provides advanced AI capabilities for generating custom images, we recommend OpenAI product Dall E 2 as the best alternative. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision to find out the perfect tool for your business's image generation needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.